Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're actually going to talk about a brand new type of limit algebraically. This time, we're going to take limits as they approach horizontal asymptotes. So you're going to notice all the problems that we do today are going to go as x approaches infinity, not so much a number. So before I can actually get into this practice problem, I want to review end behavior. So remember that there are four types of end behavior. So the graph could either end up, up, or down, down, or the graph could end in opposite directions, like this. So this first scenario of up, up, or down, down means that we have an even degree or even highest power. And this one would be positive leading coefficient, and this one would be a negative leading coefficient. This second graph examples is when we have an odd degree or an odd power. And this one is positive, and this one is negative. So remember, positive is up and to the right, and negative is up and to the left. And obviously the even makes sense because positive goes up, up, and negative goes down, down. So we need to understand where these come from in order to be successful with the limit problems. So let's see if we can do one now.